Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Activator, and today's video is related to IT career updates. So all those candidates who are going to graduate in 2020 and if they are pursuing BC or BSc, you have an opportunity to work with Wipro. Along with that, you will get an opportunity to do your masters also. So you will get a MTech certificate and you will get a stipend also during that time. So this WILP 2020 has started. So let's discuss in details what it is all about and who can apply for this and what are the eligibility criteria, selection criteria. So this is integrated learning program by Wipro, and this is for BC and BSc candidate, and BSc includes whether it is from physics or maths or statistics, and you will get an opportunity to do MTech from premier educational institute in India, and it will be fully sponsored by Wipro, so you don't have to pay anything for that. The eligibility criteria for this is you should have passed your 10th, 12th, and you should have at least 60% marks in your graduation. Year of passing is 2020, so 2019 batch pass out cannot apply for this. This is specifically for 2020 batch, and the qualification already discussed BC and BSc, and the streams will be computer science, IT, mathematics, statistics, electronics, and physics. So all those candidates who are doing their graduation with these streams, they can apply for this. Also, the maximum year of gap in your education should be 3 years. So it cannot be more than 3 years. I don't think anyone will have more than 3 years of education gap between 10th and their graduation. So that was about the eligibility criteria, and this will be the stipend amount for you during your 5-year service with Wipro. Actually, you have to be in Wipro for 5 years. That is the service agreement which you have to sign, and that is a very good thing because you will have your stipend amount getting you, and also you will earn a MTech certificate. You don't have to pay for that. And what is the selection process? You have to clear the one online assessment that will be of 80 minutes, and that will include aptitude test and written communication test. And once you clear the assessment, you will get an email of like you have completed or you have successfully passed the online assessment, and then you will have a technical and HR interview. So since COVID-19 is going on, I think this technical and HR interview will also be from your home. I don't think it will be a face to face. So that is also a plus point. You can give this interview from your home also. And if you have any doubts after applying, you can email them on this mail ID manager.campus@wipro.com, and in the subject line you have to give WILP 2020, and they will give you responses about your query. So let's go ahead, and in the apply now, if you click, it will open a new tab, and here you have to fill your details, which is personal details, and you can give your Aadhaar number, address details you have to give, and then the educational details. You have to include all of the educational details, 10th, 12th, and your graduation. And in the year of passing, you have to mention 2020 as your passing year. And at last, additional details is there, and if anyone from your family is working in Wipro, you should give their reference. Do you have any friend or relative employed with Wipro? Give their name and in which location they are working with Wipro, and their office email ID or their personal email ID, and then check this and then register. Once you will register, you will get a confirmation mail on email ID also, and all details when the assessment test will going to happen. All these details will come to your email ID. So I will tell my subscriber, if you don't find this relevant to you, please share this with your family members or your friends who are doing graduation, because a good opportunity for graduating people who are from other streams and they want to come to IT industry, they will get a benefit from this. So even if it is not relevant to you, please share it with your family members or friends who can be benefited from this. That's enough for today's video.